Alright, so after we have our sculpt, everything is in order. Just checking if recording in place here. Then cool. So we finished sculpting everything. I've opened a Blender and then I've imported the OBJ file that we saved. And again, I'm Adrian from azanatomy.com. Welcome to this course where we making a realistic human head, human face in a Blender and a ZBrush Core Mini. So this is how everything worked out. If you followed our previous lectures, you should have something similar to this. Your complete head with all the details. You guys can see head. Not too many details, but yeah. So what we're gonna be doing in this lecture, it's retopology, retopo manually in Blender. So there are a few setups we need to do before we can tackle that. So I'm just going to show you guys the setup and then I'll probably speed up the video once I start with the topology because it takes a lot of time. Okay, first things first, you need to load a plane. So shift A, mesh plane. Here's our plane over here. I'm just going to rotate it R. X. Oh, let's see which M. Or Y. No, not like so. Then rotate it like so. The thing doesn't matter. Then press S to scale this down. Zoom right in. Then press S again. Scale this down and grab. So once you have that, I'm gonna go to edit mode. Tab on your key. Edit mode. Make sure turn on snapping. Select faces. Make sure project onto self and project element selected, and then effect, move, rotation, and scale. Make sure all these settings are in place. Just make sure you have all these. Once you're done with that stage, go to object, make sure your pen is selected, forward to display, and select in front. As you can see, so it won't disappear at the back. What else you can do, you can change the material if you want to. Make it texture. Create like a new material and then change the color of the material. Next one, you go to your modifier tab and then you click add modifier. Let's stop the shrink wrap modifier. Then click on it. So now this plane will wrap on top of the our mesh over there. That, and then once you have the shrink wrap modifier, let's add another modifier, which is a mirror modifier. So you don't need to do the other side also. Let's see if it shows. Shows. That. Okay, so delete see, and let's try again. You get these errors. Let me see if it's not at the same time. Just make sure your mod is in the same time. Then turn on clipping. So what this does, if it arrives at the center, it won't go right. So I tap my models at the center. Let me just double check that. Press in. Let's see if it's good. So if I say to add, right click, set origin, origin geometry, origin to cursor, set origin geometry. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I'm okay, press tab. I have that. You see now, once you have clipping, you cannot move it. So it's stuck at the center. Then that will be it with the setup. So once we have that, we can start our topology. So what I have some reference I can find these online. If you're a beginner, have this side, and then this will assist you in your retopology process. So I'm gonna just fast forward this video while I start this retopology, and then I'll probably end this video and fast forward. Please follow along and then just look at the process and just make sure you correct. Again, thank you. Is there enough from Please follow along.